Demand-led services and clinical supply chain efficiency. Widely used today, the traditional clinical supply model is a static, linear, stock-based approach that uses discrete primary and secondary packaging runs to bulk store and ship finished patient kits from a central location to clinical sites or depots based upon preliminary estimated demand. The supply strategy for the study's entire life cycle is developed up front. Finished kits are mass-produced and distributed to clinical sites or regional depots to be held in inventory in advance of actual need. This traditional approach to clinical supply requires several weeks or even months of lead time for packaging and booklet label creation, produces significant clinical waste, which can be as high as 200%, and lacks flexibility to quickly respond to change. In contrast, demand-led clinical supply is a decentralized global continuous GMP approach to secondary packaging and labeling that is designed to meet the needs of patients, clinical sites, clinical teams, and study sponsors. Instead of producing finished kits up front, the demand-led model relies upon small lots of unlabeled bright stock strategically placed around the globe at regional GMP facilities. Forecasting is used to establish the optimal bright stock inventory need within a given region. Bright stock is produced in advance of the study start. Once a clinical site indicates there is an actual patient need or requests a small supply of seeding stock, the requested number of patient kits are labeled, assembled, and shipped within a matter of days. In addition to much shorter lead times, the demand-led approach produces significantly less clinical waste, reduces stockout risk, and eliminates the need for booklet labels. As a result, the supply chain becomes much more flexible and responsive. Supplies can be pooled for use across protocols, and clinical sites can be added or dropped much more easily than under a traditional approach. In addition, expiry update management is virtually eliminated. And when it is necessary, relabeling is performed at a regional GMP packaging facility rather than at a depot or clinical site. Whether you need traditional clinical supply services or want to learn more about implementing a demand-led or customized hybrid approach, Catalent is your global partner for reliable supply.